Hi, this video will show you how to use our branding tool. You can find it in plus menu. Please choose branding and add new template. Now you can put a name of this template here. Set as account default template and choose logo you would like to put on the room. We will choose AppSumo. Now we need to resize a little bit and choose save. Now we'll change background color of navigation bar. We make it light gray. And now we will change color of buttons in widget. Okay. Now we'll change background color of widget. Layout here, yeah, we'll make it yellow. Perfect. And we will change also sidebar background color. We will choose also gray, okay? Now we will change background color of card container in widget. A little bit gray as well. And styles of card header. And we will make it, let's say, yellow. Okay, now we need to change text color to make it visible to black. Okay, perfect. And it will be looking like this.